Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Bestiary of Khorinis, Volume 1 in Gothic 1 Remake. The Bestiary of Khorinis is a quest item required for unlocking the harvesting skill for scavenger skull plates. You can get this item early in the game, allowing you to bring it to the NPC who asks for it as soon as possible. First, you'll want to head to the new camp. We have a video on the channel covering how to get to the new camp, so please make sure to check it out. Once you're at the main entrance of the new camp, turn around and walk a short distance forward. You'll see a house directly across from you along the path. Head inside the house and you'll find the Bestiary of Khorinis sitting on a table. All you need to do is steal the item from the house. You can then give it to Cavalorn, the NPC you encounter along the way when being escorted to the new camp to unlock the hidden harvesting skill. And that's how to get the Bestiary of Khorinis, Volume 1 in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.